So the first thing you're going to do is click continue without an account. And that will log you in here. Now, you'll never be able to come into this again if you don't copy this. So just take that, pop it in a Word document or pop it in an email if you have an email account. I'm just going to pop it there. Oh, I clearly didn't copy it. Okay, so I've got that there. So just if anything happens, I know I can come back into it, and you're going to click continue. Once this comes up again, you're going to click continue. You're going to click close on this. Right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to hit new project. We call it something like Mars Attacks, Mars Space Scout, ATTAS. And you can leave everything else the same there. So I'm calling it Mars Attacks, and I'm going to click OK. And you'll see it places that there. And after a second, this screen will pop up for you. So just a really quick overview of what you're looking at. This is what your phone is going to look like, and this is going to be the screen. Obviously, it's an Android phone, so you've got these symbols to go back, to close everything down, and to show all the programs that are open. The one thing you will need to know is the phone size here that we set it up with is 320 by 505. So that's 320 pixels wide and 505 high. Now that will be important later on when we come to change the little pictures that we use. On the left hand side, you've got all the bits and pieces that you can actually use in your the game that we're going to create. So things that we're going to use is you've got a button. So like, for example, you can drag a button out and place it there. Once you've put it on, it goes, you'll see it here. I can rename it. Let's say we're going to call that one stop. So there, it's called stop. Now on the right hand side, you've got the properties panel, and this will change depending on what you do. And there's loads of different options that you have here. And the one that we will use is this text section down here. If I say stop button in there, you'll see that will change. Okay, you can close these little drawers like that. You've also got things like layout. So layout is where you can actually lay things out in a horizontal alignment. So for example, if I put a button there, and then I want another button beside it, drag it, drop it in that same thing, and it will put them horizontally. So you will need that later on. Over here, you have got different drawings and animations you can use. And again, you just drag those out. So I've just put up, oh, sorry. I don't think I did put that ball on there. Oh, my mouse has gone a bit crazy, sorry. For the second, I'm just going to put a canvas on there to show you. So the canvas looks like that, which obviously is not much use. But what we can do is we can play with the settings over here. So these, again, you can just open and close these drawers to use things that you need. Up here, you've got screens. So we've only got one screen. But if you wanted to have like, you know, a screen that says well done at the end of the game, you can add more screens to it. And finally, when you're ready to actually show your game, on your phone, you're going to click connect, and we're going to use this AI companion, which brings up this QR code, which you're going to scan with your phone. So that's the basic overview. Now we're ready to get started on the game.